Hello, friends and family. I went on a slight adventure. It was about, I have to leave my actual city to go to Harris Teeter. But they were having an amazing 4th of July sale. And I'm going to actually post 2 videos today and maybe none tomorrow. So that if you live near Harris Teeter, you can go ahead and take advantage of this sale. I mean, it was worth the drive. I was telling my guard mentor the prices, and she was like, oh. They had buy 2, get 3 free, buy 1, get 1 free. So they had a lot of deals going on here. And I was comparing the prices to Walmart while I was in there to make sure I was getting a good deal. And yes, some of it was $1 cheaper, $2 cheaper. Well, I'll say at most like $1.50 cheaper than the Walmart price. So it was worth my ride. And this is a prep haul because you see we got prepping items. And we even got meat, produce, a little bit of produce, but meat, cheeses, things that to feed these kids over the summer. So let me go over it real quick. The ice cream, $6.99 each. Buy 2, get 3 free. So 5 of them were $14. Well, $13.98 if we're going to be technical. These 5 packs of Nathan's hot dogs, they were $6.99. Buy 2, get 3 free. So $16.98 for 5 packs of Nathan's hot dogs. These Smithfield seasoned marinated pork loins, $8.99. Buy 1, get 1 free. So they were, what's that, $4.50 a piece. This light sour cream was $1. These were on clearance for 2 packs of bourbon chicken, $1.19. Buy 1, get 1 free. So they were under 60 cents a piece. Sorry for my hand. The General Chicken, same thing, $1.19. So the cans of beans. Now the red beans they were out of. They were 47 cents a piece with your VIC card. Now all of this is with the VIC card. So please watch till the end so I can explain that. Because don't let them use the store card. So I got to explain that part to you. The black eyed peas, navy beans, I got 2 cans of each. Pinto beans, Great Northern beans, and Cannellini beans. 2 cans each. And there was 10 cans for $6. Then I got the diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano. 2 cans of those. Italian-style stewed tomatoes. Italian-style diced tomatoes. And petite diced tomatoes. And 2 tomato paste, 10 for $6, so 60 cents each. The cheese, now let me get that cheese price. That was one of the items with issues. They were let me see. Cannot find them. Oh, gosh. Tomatoes, cheese, pinto beans. It's a long receipt. I am so sorry. Okay, so the sliced cheese was $3, 2 for $6. And the did he rank me for that cheese? This a long receipt, so I'm sorry. And it's like half printed. Oh, Lord. And my knee hurt from being down here. Okay, the slice was the $3. Okay, so the shredded cheese was $4.69. So it was $4.69. Buy 2 and get 3 free. So that was $9. So they come in under $2 a pack. Because it was $9 and change. Buy 2, get 3 free. So sorry that took so long. Bear with me. These were BOGO. They were $3.69 for two. So that's well under $2. What's that? $1.80 a piece. And then we ain't playing. We got meat too. I got this long salmon. It is, how many pounds are they saying it is? It says less than a pound, but it looks pretty long. Wild Sockeye salmon, $12.87 for this piece. So on top of those 4 cans, that'll give you an idea. So I got that. And then the chicken breast is $1.99 a pound. So this pack of chicken breast was $8.84. And it's 2, 4, 6 breasts, 6 full-size breasts in here. So that's a good 3 to 4 meals for us. And then we had a whole watermelon, $3.99. By the way, my last watermelon that I picked was delicious. It just had a lot of seeds. It was so sweet and delicious. So I bought 2 of these. They KM pork sausage, and I got the andouille and the pepper jack, and they were $6.39. Buy one, get one free. Let me see. Yeah, they were $3.39 each. $6.79. Buy one, get one free. And then, last but not least, a slab of baby back ribs already cooked. I'll heat this in the oven or cut it up and heat pieces in the air fryer. $8, $7.99. So that's my $105 haul, including fish and meat. Now, the disappointing thing, which was the main thing I went for, thinking it would be a good price, it was not, was the shrimp. Buy 2, get 3 free. But guess how much the shrimp was? I was like, ooh, I hope I ain't drive out here for nothing, because that was the first thing I went to. And it was 2 pounds of 16 21s, which means 16 shrimp to the pound, 16 to 21 shrimp to the pound, which indicates the size. So they were like a large, extra large shrimp. So they had $39.99 for one. So you want $40 for 5 bags of shrimp. That wasn't a deal. That was the one of the things I just left behind. But here is my initial total. So you don't know I'm telling a story. It was $166.50. So let me tell you what happened. $166.60. Hope I ain't showing my card. Okay. Trying to get it. Okay, $166.50. Okay. $168.50, sorry. But then, when you use the store card, there are limits on this. So, like, Breyers may be limit 5 or limit 10. The cheese may be limit 5 or limit 10. So, do not let them use that store card. You can go online and sign up before you even get there. Create your cart so you don't forget anything that you wanted. Because they used the store card, because I was having trouble with mine. I didn't go through the complete process. So if you go online, sign up for the card, then you still have to go up under your account and your big card number, and then confirm your phone number. And then that'll activate your VIC card. I think that was the problem we were having. So I had to go back to the customer service, figure all that out, and I got a $63 refund because the buy 2, get 3 frees were not giving me the ones free. So do not use the store card thinking that you're going to get the deal. So I hope you like this haul. I hope you found some good information, and I hope you have Harris Teeter near you. I don't know if I think they're a part of Kroger. I don't know if they're running the same deals or similar deals, but check that out and go online and clip all the coupons just in case, because they do have digital coupons. You might see other deals that you want. I do have the ad that I will probably place photos of at the end, but you can also access the ad online. So I'll leave a link to the ad below, or to their website below, so that you can check out the ad. I almost bought ribeye steaks, but since I bought the ribs, I didn't, and they were like $13. So they have pretty good deals here. There's one of the that's that shrimp that was $39. So you got a few good deals here to partake in. Pete's Coffee, that was like $12 and something. See, and those were the ones they did not have. The 47-cent kidney or black beans. That shelf was cleared. And that is way better. Well, that's better than Walmart's price by enough to make it worth it. So you got all kinds, like their sunscreen products and things like that if you need those things. So they have a real good 4th of July sale. It was definitely worth the trip for me, personally, because I'm still stockpiling. We do eat a lot of cheese. This summertime, he's eating hot dogs. When he come 3 times and asks me what's to eat and I still don't feel like getting up cooking, eat you some hot dogs and french fries. Go ahead. Do it yourself. So, I hope that you like this video and this haul. I hope it helps someone get out and catch this deal. Plus, another thing. Based on my purchase, I get 30 cents off a gallon of gas. 30 cents off my per gallon on my next fuel purchase. So I got 30 cents fuel perks. Now, I don't know how it's been a long time since I did Harris Teeter. So I don't know how their fuel perks work, what station or whatever. So I'll, figure that out, and I might use that 30 cent next time I need to fill up if it's convenient for me. So you may need more than this. What I bought, you may get up to $1 off a gallon. So that'll even make it more worth the ride. So go ahead and do your research. Hopefully you catch up on this deal or within distance to make the deal worth it. And I do thank you for watching. And if you do like what I do here with the stocking up and the prepping and the gardening and all of that good stuff, I'm even going to be throwing in some DIYs and some redecorates here and there. Then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell for my run deals. And I do look forward to seeing you, talking to you soon, posting the next video. I do look forward to you subscribing. I'm speaking this into existence. And you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.